In the last video, I told you how to solve such kind of examples using change of independent variable method. Also, we saw steps to solve linear differential equation of second order using the method solution by change of independent variable. By the steps, first we have to write a given differential equation in the general form of linear differential equation. This given differential equation is not in general form of linear differential equation, so we divide by x to convert it in general form of differential equation. By dividing the x, we get d2y by dx square minus 1 upon x into dy by dx minus 4x square y is equal to 8x square sin x square. Now comparing with the general form of linear differential equation, we find out p is equal to minus 1 upon x, q is equal to minus 4x square, and r is equal to 8x square sin x square. Now we use the change of independent variable method, so we have to find the z function using the formula z is equal to integration e raised to minus integration p dx. So z is equal to e raised to minus integration minus 1 upon x dx is equal to integration e raised to integration of 1 upon x is log x is equal to integration x dx. That is, we get z is equal to x square by 2. Now we have to find q1 is equal to q upon dz by dx square. Q is minus 4x square and dz by dx is x, so x square. We get q1 is equal to minus 4. Again r1 is equal to r upon dz by dx bracket square is equal to, what is value of r? 8x square sin x square. So putting value of r 8x square sin x square, and dz, value of dz by dx is x and x square. So x square get cancelled and r1 is equal to 8 sin x square. We use a method solution by change of independent variable. So in this equation, independent variable is x. Now we transform x to z and we get transformed equation is d2y by dz square plus q1 y is equal to r1. This is a transformed equation by changing the independent variable. Put value of q1 and r1 in transformed equation, we get d2y by dz square minus 4y is equal to 8 sin x square. in this equation independent variable is z. So we have to change this variable. We know the value of z. Z is equal to, as z is equal to x square by 2. So x square is equal to 2z. Putting value of x square is equal to 2z in this equation, we get d2y by dz square minus 4y is equal to 8 sine 2z. Now this is a linear differential equation of second order with constant coefficient, and we know how to solve such kind of examples. Solution of this differential equation is CF plus PI. CF means complementary function plus PI means particular integral. So this is a non-homogeneous linear differential equation. So we have to find both CF as well as PF. Then after we get the complete solution of this linear differential equation. So let us find first complementary function. To finding out complementary function, consider auxiliary equation d square minus 4 bracket into y is equal to 0. So in this equation y never be 0. So d square minus 4 is equal to 0. D square is equal to 4 and d is equal to plus minus 2. Value of d is real and non-repeated. So we write a complementary function is equal to c1 e raised to 2z plus c2 e raised to minus 2z. Now to find particular integral, pi is equal to 1 upon d square minus 4 into 8 sine 2z. We take 8 common. So 8 into 1 upon d square minus 4 into sine 2z. Now finding out pi of trigonometric function, we put d square is equal to minus a square. And here a is 2, so d square is equal to minus 4. And if we put d square is equal to minus 4 here, so this denominator never gets 0. So we can put d square is equal to minus 4. If after putting value of d square denominator gets 0, we use another method. But here denominator never be 0 after putting this value of d square. So 1 upon minus 4 into sine 2z. 8 upon minus 8 into sine 2z. So minus sine 2z. Final complete solution of this linear differential equation, we can write y is equal to CF plus PI. What is CF? C1 e raised to 2z plus C2 e raised to minus 2z, and PI is minus sine 2z. Y is equal to C1 e raised to 2 into x square by 2 plus C2 is equal to e raised to minus 2 into x square by 2 minus sine 2 into x square by 2. So we get solution of given differential equation, that is y is equal to c1 e raised to x square plus c2 e raised to minus x square minus sine x square. This is a required solution of given differential equation.